Hey, Nonna Pia.
Yes.
What do you got all this stuff out for? What are you making?
Linguine with shrimp.
Ooh, I like linguine with shrimp. You gonna show me how to make it?
Yes.
All right, let's show everyone.
The oil.
Mm-hmm. Huh?
Put a butter and garlic and a fry.
All right. Just enough butter. Beautiful.
Now I gotta put the pasta in.
Oh, already ready for the pasta.
Yes.
Okay.
More.
All right. So we got the linguine.
Linguine vini.
Where'd you get this pasta?
ShopRite.
Oh, you like ShopRite for pasta.
It's all shop.
All right. Che bello.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. Is it ready yet?
Oh yeah.
You took the tail off all the shrimp already?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I wash, and then I put just a little bit of salt, and then I fry, and then you put
All right. Time to fry it now. You like shrimp, Nonna Pia?
Yeah, they don't like me though. I gotta wait till they get a little pink.
Mm-hmm. What?
Salud.
Salud, everyone.
On the fish.
In the fish, okay. A little limone. You're strong, Nonna.
Parsley.
A little bit of parsley.
Yeah. And it's done.
Think it's ready?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I have to drain this. The sauce.
Mm.
It's done.
All right.
With the sauce. Isn't it nice?
Oh, yeah.
I got everything to make this. I got them at ShopRite.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
That's your favorite place to shop.
All the time.
Looks good. All right, let's make a plate. Looks good, Nonna. Thank you.